like processed strawberry, but I do like normal strawberry.
You can actually
You caught your yawn.
Oh, it's contagious. The yawns are contagious.
It's the other way around for cats.
Who's next to it?
It's back down. It's the other way around for tomatoes.
That's what you both in quarantine.
Back down.
Are you both?
Travie yawn.
Back down.
It traveled to Travie.
Back down.
Yeah.
It's the other way around with tomatoes. I like the process, but I don't like the non-processed.
Oh, what's that?
Looks like a power plant.
Uh-huh. And there's something over here, too.
Looks like a transformer-esque thing.
Oh, wow. That's a long
On
drop
either
down.
side of the train, you can see part of the Ohio River Canal. There were 8 locks from Akron to get down to the river.
Man,
Wow.
I see it.
Wow, that is really cool.
Whoa.
Honestly, that almost looks like a cargo depot down there.
That's a big giant.
Yeah, it's in there.
It almost to me looks like a cargo depot or something.
That's like 4 foot.
No.
That does look like a cargo
I look at that like, ew. Hey, what's the ticket I got there? Hey, I know. We should go to that one big giant hill. They have a hotel for hills.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to sleep in a bed onto it on
Welcome to Akron.
Yeah. I see now on YouTube. I was like, man, let's get back on the
Oh,
hilltop.
wait, this is
This one will scare you to death.
Yeah.
I saw it. I was like, no, no one give me that. It has a tiny bed for Jamie. I was like, hey, Jamie, look. That's a little tiny bed.
Brandon, is that the version near the Judge's Hospital? I think that's me.
It's only made out of glass. I was like, oh.
Yeah, but
That was freaking me out a lot more.
This is cool. Tonight? Let's start trying to get over Brandon. You gotta start sounding like a broken record, but this is cool.
Oh, good. No, I'm glad that you guys are having a good time.
This is
Uh-huh.
awesome.
How did I do that?
I love it.
I don't even know. I was ready to go. You know,